Hi, I'm Kirbymae Fulford with Regency Christie's International Real Estate, and welcome to the Sands Turks Caicos. I'm standing in Unit 3311-3312, which is accessible via elevator. This is the beachfront building at the Sands Resort, the only one with an elevator. So come and take a tour with me as we look at the unit. To my right, you have a guest bathroom with a washer and dryer. The entire unit is outfitted with travertine tiles. You have a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, pendant lights, and all new stainless steel kitchen appliances. The living room furniture is brand new. And you have these three big, beautiful glass sliding doors that gives you a beautiful view of the ocean. It takes you out to the extended patio that's fully screened, and you get a constant breeze all year round. The great thing about this unit and the location of this unit is that it's situated on a quiet side of the property away from pool and restaurant noise. So now let's go and have a look at the master bedroom. Here we're entering the master suite, where you have beautiful ocean views directly from your master, and you can access the patio from in here as well. You have an ensuite bathroom as well. The entire unit is over 1,700 square feet. Here is your ensuite bathroom right off of the master suite. The great thing about this suite is you have a beautiful lockout. Here is the studio lockout. In this unit, you get a view of the pool. It comes equipped with a kitchenette, a pull-out couch, and you have a full bath and bedroom. So the unit itself consists of 2 bedrooms plus the den. So this side here can be locked out and rented separately. So this unit makes great for rental income. In 2019, we earned $41,000 net. If you'd like more information on the financials for this property, please feel free to contact me. Here is the closet. And you have 2 owner lockouts where the owners can store their personal belongings that they can leave on the island and travel light whenever they're coming back. So there's the unit behind me on the 3rd floor, and I'm just standing out here by the pool. The property has numerous pools, a spa, a boutique, and a conference room. You also have a restaurant on site, the popular Hemingway's restaurant, and I'll take you over to look at the Grace Bay Beach. So here we are at the #1 Grace Bay Beach, voted by TripAdvisor. The great thing about the location of the Sands Turks and Caicos is that it's in close proximity to the salt mills, the Region Village, and the entire Grace Bay Strip. I'm Kirbymae. Thanks for taking this tour with me of the Sands Turks and Caicos, Unit 3311, 3312, that consists of a 2-bedroom plus the den. If you'd like further information on this property, including the price, please, my contact details are down in the description box. And if you like this video and would like to get more, please like, comment, and subscribe.